Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Afterpay with Cashapp. So let's get into the video. So the things that you need here, you need to have your Cashapp account. So make sure you have a Cashapp account and logged in, and make sure your account is verified. So once you've logged into your Cashapp applications on your app, once you're logged in, so all you have to do is just tap on the discover icon, which is that magnifying search option. So click on it from the home tab. So you're going to open the discover option, and from there you will see the Afterpay merchant title. So just open that, click on it, and then you will open up the Afterpay shop hub. So now that you're on the Afterpay shop hub, all you have to do is simply search for the thing that you wish to purchase. So just tap on the search bar on the top of the page, and then you can also type in the merchant or the item that you wish to purchase. So you can just type that in, and then all you have to do is just browse it and then add it to your cart and then proceed with the checkout. So when you check out in Afterpay, those purchases will generate an Afterpay account using your Cash App credentials. This is only if you don't have an existing Afterpay account. Suppose if you have an existing Afterpay account, you can simply log into your Afterpay account using those credentials. All right. So when you have done that, then after purchases made in the shop hub default to cash pay as the repayment method. So however, if you have, as I said earlier, if you have existing Afterpay customer, you have already have an account, then you can just check out using your existing payment method through Afterpay. So this is basically how you can use Afterpay with Cash App. So all you have to do is just create an account on Afterpay and Cash App. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.